Good evening, everyone. My name is Yee Jiea. Today, I'm presenting this Developing Robotic Competition-Based Learning module, a design and development research approach, that is DDR. Okay.
So I think she is facing some issues. Let's wait for 2 minutes.
Okay, I think net speed is slow. Tang Yee Jiea, are you there?
Hello, yes. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, please continue.
Okay. According to Malaysia Education Blueprint, okay, the STEM education is very important because in Malaysia, we need 500 million STEM workers. But the students that enroll in the STEM education seems drop out after the PT3. The number of students who pursue the STEM education, okay, become reduced. And when they go to the higher education, the number of STEM students keep reducing. So today we would like to present Hello. Hello. It is used to increase the interest in students towards STEM education. Okay, the methodology used is DDR, Design and Development Research, okay, which has 4 phases. Okay, the first phase is needs analysis. Second phase, design. The third phase, development. And the final stage is implementation. Okay, according to the first phase, there is need analysis. So the learning theory used is constructivism and constructionism. Okay, while the available tool used is the online learning, online platform, module, and the robotics as the tool. The pedagogy used in this research is the project-based learning and problem-based learning. Okay, after the needs question A is distributed to the student and the educators, so the researcher find out the most probably pedagogy used is the project-based learning, and the activity used is based on the robotics competition. Okay, the document analysis used in this research is the KSSM and in the science, mathematics, and science computer syllabus. Okay, in the second phase, that is design phase, the fuzzy Delphi method is used. There are total 10 experts is called for the meeting, so the objective of the learning is determined. The process of producing the main component and the element for the robotic competition-based learning. By using this fuzzy Delphi method, the expert will contribute their idea and to propose the design. Okay, next is the development phase. The modified learner group technique is used during this phase. The process of developing the element in the ROSTEM module. There is Robotic STEM module. This module is used as the source for the student to carry out the robotic activities, and at last they will carry out the robotic competition. Okay, so for this design and development phase, the module is built based on the constructivism theory, constructionism theory, and project-based learning. Okay, the instrument built for this question A is distributed to students and educator, and the content validity is done by 4 experts. Okay. After the fuzzy Delphi method is carried out, okay, it is analyzed, and finally we implement and build this robotic competition-based learning framework. Okay, in the first phase, there is implementation phase. First, the student need to register online, okay, to participate in the Robot Olympics competition. Okay, the teacher who are the mentor will implement this Robot Olympics STEM module in school. Before the Robot Olympics STEM module is applied, the students are given the survey form, okay, to investigate their interest on STEM education. Okay, the training is take about 4 to 6 weeks according to the students' achievement and their speed. Okay, after 6 weeks, there is a competition that gather all the participants during the implementation phase. Okay, for the robotic project-based learning, okay, it combines STEM elements, that is science, engineering, mathematics, and technology literacy. Okay, in school, the 4 disciplines are taught differently. So this robotic project-based learning can combine these 4 disciplines and run as one training. Okay, during the implementation phase, the student bring their product, okay, and showcase. The examiner will examine their product using a form, okay, that can test the student's skill. Okay, the robotic competition module, it consists of 10 activities. The first one is the student need to clear the ping pong ball, and the objective is the student use the remote control, okay, to collect and send the ping pong ball to the opponent fields. So the STEM concept that learned by the students are, okay, the student will learn science concept including speed, rotation, while technology, they learn about how to program using a Bluetooth remote control. Engineering, okay, they learn how to use a large storage tank to collect most of the ping pong ball and transport to the opponents. Okay, while students combine all these STEM concept, so they use their robotic knowledge to compete each other. While in mathematics, they use calculation to calculate what is the speed of the robot. Okay. The second project in this Robot Olympics STEM module is Syracuse Project. So the objective is to build the catapult robot which can build the robot and aim the target accurately. So the student can combine their science, technology, engineering, and mathematics concept. Okay. So these are the outcome of the project. The student will use the robot to transport the ping pong ball into the cups. They need to project the ping pong ball accurately into the cups. Okay, so the calculation will involve the angle of projection, okay, and the accuracy. The other activities that carry out in this competition-based learning is Sumo robot project. The student will learn the concepts such as force, power, ultrasonic, and color sensors. While in technology field, the student will learn how to program the Bluetooth remote control, ultrasonic sensor and color sensor. In engineering field, the student need to build the robot that is expandable, which is the robot can expand in their size, so it can project accurately into the cups. Okay, while for mathematics, the student need to calculate, okay, the ultrasonic range and the intensity of the color. Okay, these are the situation during the competition. Okay, during the assessment phase, okay, the student will survey using qualitative method and quantitative method. Okay, for the qualitative method, the interview is carried out. There is semi-structured interview. The sample selected is survey about their interest towards STEM and what is their gain after this competition. But for quantitative method, the STEM survey is distributed to the student. The STEM survey is same as the survey that distributed by the teacher before the competition. So this is a quasi-experimental method. So the student is tested before and after the competition. Okay, so the result is accumulated and the analysis is done. Okay, in the quantitative survey, there is STEM survey, so there are 3 constructs. There is mathematics, science, engineering, and technology, which survey the student about their interests. Okay, the analysis is ongoing process. Thank you.